Hi guys, it's Julie from cookedbyjulie.com, and today we're making Carne Guisada, Puerto Rican beef stew packed with flavor, super easy to make, and you're gonna love it. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is season the beef. I seasoned it with sazon and adobo. Drizzle a little olive oil, it helps the spices move around. And of course, you never want to cook cold beef, so let the beef sit at room temperature for at least 15 minutes before searing. I'm using boneless beef chuck, and I didn't trim any of the fat. I left it because it adds flavor, but feel free to remove all of the fat if you prefer. Now in a large pot, go ahead and add some vegetable oil or canola oil. Heat it over medium-high heat. Sear the beef for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side and then remove it from the pot. So if you want to add beer or wine, now is the time to do so. Deglaze the pot and reduce the alcohol by half. But if you're not adding any alcohol, just add the veggies or the sofrito. Stir it. Add tomato sauce, tomato paste. I added a splash of vinegar only because I didn't add alcohol, but if you add alcohol, just omit the vinegar. Let that simmer for a minute and then add the beef. Add water or beef stock, let it come to a boil, cover, reduce the heat to low, and cook for an hour and 30 minutes or until the beef is 90% tender. Add the potatoes and olives. Olives are optional. Cover and cook for an additional 30 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. Check for seasoning. If it needs salt, add it. Give it a good mix. To thicken the sauce, simply cook over high heat uncovered for about 10 minutes. It'll thicken right up. No cornstarch or flour necessary. I served this with white rice and fried plantains. No other way to do it. It was absolutely delicious. I hope you love it. Make sure to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and sign up to my newsletter. I'll email you free recipes every week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching.